We have a massive crypto announcement for PayPal on top of Bitcoin's price hitting $13,000 once again. Could it set a new all-time high in the near future? We'll find out in today's video. Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Before continuing, a quick disclaimer, none of this is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This is long awaited and represents a massive on-ramp. This is courtesy of Crypto Slate. It's extracting the key information here. PayPal, the $236 billion digital payments giant, will allow users to buy and sell crypto assets. The news adds to the strong momentum of Bitcoin, which has rallied 10% in the last 5 days. And there's more information at this chart here, courtesy of TradingView. Reports about PayPal potentially supporting cryptocurrencies have circulated since early 2020. In June, CoinDesk reported that PayPal and Venmo, which is a subsidiary of the former, plan to roll out crypto buying and selling. Quote, "My understanding is that they are going to allow buys and sells of crypto directly from PayPal and Venmo. They are going to have some sort of a built-in wallet functionality so you can store it there." End quote, a source from the publication told at the time. If I go to the official Twitter page for PayPal, see the announcement, this was made 11 hours ago. Today we are announcing the launch of a new service that will enable customers to buy, hold and sell cryptocurrency directly from their PayPal account. In a separate post, the service will be available to PayPal account holders in the US in the coming weeks and initially feature Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin directly within the PayPal digital wallet. Having the two offer this service, it's long overdue. It's come at a good time, especially when there's a lot of uncertainty around the world. To show you the significance of this, we have, for those not looking at the screen, it's from Statista.com, PayPal's total payment volume from first quarter 2014 to second quarter 2020. In just over 6 years, it's gone from $53 billion US dollars all the way up to $221.7 billion for every 3 months. And based on 2019 data, the payment provider's annual payment volume came to $712 billion US dollars. Additionally, you factor in the billions of transactions that occur every year. I would pay attention to how this would change in 2021. How much this would increase or most likely increase, especially following this announcement. Now, even though this is starting in the coming weeks and we have a huge amount of energy behind various cryptos, we have Fiat Leak. You can see what transactions are occurring in real time. This is specifically for the USA. There was a way to see the global map in real time, so this interactive map, although I can only see the USA for now. Nevertheless, we can see Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum pouring into this with several other cryptos there. On top of why the Bitcoin or the PayPal announcement is massive, it's important to remember that earlier this year we had the Bitcoin block reward halving. I just want to point out this map, or this graph I should say. We have this courtesy of TradingView. If I zoom in, and you can see, well, for those not looking at the screen, we have the historical price data with some corresponding volumes since 2012 or early 2012, showing the halving dates. Something positive to reflect on, we have this general trend of a major price increase post-halving in the months following that halving, or for the second halving it took a bit longer, but nevertheless, the huge appreciation in value. Many other cryptos went up and will most likely go up relative to Bitcoin. Prices will rise and fall accordingly with the foundation crypto, at least for the foreseeable future. What do you think will happen to the Bitcoin price in the coming months, especially once the PayPal option to buy crypto is live, available for the millions of customers throughout the USA, and hopefully following that we have customers around the world that can then purchase the crypto. It's going to help the overall crypto space accordingly. If you want more details as well, or just to give you an alternate source, here is Crypto Potato, PayPal to enable Bitcoin and crypto purchasing and selling. I would recommend as well following the PayPal page, on top of following or keeping an eye out for other major companies that are holding Bitcoin or are taking more of an interest in the crypto asset. From Bitcoin.com, here are the top public companies that have adopted Bitcoin as a reserve asset. I haven't sought permission to go through it, so I recommend checking that out. What are your thoughts? I look forward to your feedback. If you had any doubts about whether it's a good idea to hold or not, this is not financial advice, but having PayPal and several other companies showing an interest in Bitcoin, they see the money behind it. If it were me, I would definitely continue holding, cash out along the way. You be the judge. Let's see how things pan out in the coming months. Now, before wrapping up with the crypto prices or the market update, for those who hold Aave or Lend tokens, so the crypto that's related to the open source money market protocol, there is a current token migration or token swap that is taking place. So if you haven't swapped your tokens already, going from Lend to Aave, I'm going to provide further information in the description or the comment section about this. So make sure you switch your tokens to ensure that they remain active and that you don't lose any of the value. Another crypto or project to keep an eye out on. And let's have a look at the crypto prices courtesy of Coin Paprika. For those listening in future, the current time and date is 2:20 a.m. UTC on Thursday, the 22nd of October 2020. Crypto prices as follows, or focusing on the major ones for now. Bitcoin, $12,800, up 6.7% over the past 24 hours. Yes, we've seen a bit of a pullback, but let's have a look at the general momentum. If anything to go by with the past 7 days, it's looking fairly buoyant. Ethereum, $394, up 6% for the past 24 hours. It's had a decent week, up 4% for the past 7 days. XRP, looking all right as well, 4% gains. It's currently 25 cents. Chainlink is up 8%. It's at $10.82. Litecoin has performed very well for the day, 14.3% gains, $54 per LTC. Polkadot up 5%. Cardano staying above 10 cents for now, 3.3 or 3.4% gains. This is something to keep an eye out for. The overall crypto market eclipsed $400 billion, I should say, earlier today, and let's see what happens. Once again, I look forward to your feedback about this whole announcement and the general news. Enormous news. I mean, you be the judge. Is this an overreaction? Is this going to lead to anything meaningful? I guess some people will still be skeptical. Nevertheless, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to stay up to date with my latest content, and smash the bell icon as well. Share this with anyone who you think will find this useful, and if you have something to say, you're welcome to leave your feedback in the comments section. I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and that you're staying safe. Talk to you soon. Thanks again. See you later.